there are a few more commands, like there is a git log command. If you do git log command, it will show the history of your commits in this particular current branch. Okay, if you do git log, this git log will show the history, like whatever name we set. Like if you remember, we did git config user.name and git config user dot email, that will set over here as a part of author details, your name and emails, config name and emails, date times, that is that will set according to the your changes you did, commit you did. Okay, so if you see these git logs, there is a command git log that will give you the version history of this particular branch. So you can see, like we did my first commit, and after that we did another commit, new task one. Okay, so these two are showing as a part of git log. So after, if you do git log and if you want to see more detail in this particular commit, then you are able to do that as well. There will be a command like you need to copy this commit ID, and what you did, what changes you did in new task one, that you are able to see by using gitshow particular commit ID. Okay, so let me clean and run again. So if you do git show command, git show then commit ID. Okay, git show and commit ID. So this will show like all the details, like commit ID and when this commit is done, and which file is changed and what line are changed. Okay, so we added this git learn new task one done. This is just for a this line, so due to like names spaces at the end in the for Windows purpose, but only in Linux it will show only this single line. So it will show the detailed changes, what changes are done. If you want to show name only, there is some other alternatives also coming, like I think. Okay, so this command git show dash dash name dash only and then commit ID. Okay, so git show dash dash name dash only then commit ID. This command will show only the list of change the file names instead of more detail, like specific line changes level detail. If you want to list out the files which is changed as a part of particular commit ID, you need to give this git show dash dash name dash only and then commit ID. So it will give you the list of files that is changed as a part of that commit. Okay,